Recently, I've cosplayed as David Martinez at a few anime conventions, and I got a lot of questions about the jacket. Where did you get it? How does it glow? So I'm going to tell you why I made it, the materials you need, how long it takes, and how. First of all, why? Why wouldn't I buy a pre-made one that's $300 or $200? Well, that's it. I'm cheap. And I don't want to spend $200 to $300. Also, I was very low on time. Keeping everything to the last minute is what made me do it. Now let's go ahead and get into the materials you'll need to make it. In the description below, there are Amazon links for everything you'll need. Here's what you'll need for this project: the jacket, a blue LED strip with a USB connector, an external battery pack, and some type of tape to hold it all together. I use athletic tape because it's very flexible with the jacket and it kind of makes it easy for you to move and also keep everything in place. So that is everything you need to make the jacket. Now let's get into how. Like I said, it takes 5 minutes. All you need are some scissors. You're going to cut a little slit along the back of the collar. Take the LED strip, shove it uniformly all over the back of the collar, and that's it. Take the little USB part, plug that into your external battery pack. Now, using the athletic tape or whatever tape you use, anchor the battery pack to the jacket. Or you could put it in the pocket. I mean, there are many ways to do it, but just find a way to hold the external battery pack in place comfortably. And that's it. That's the last step. Like I said, took less than 5 minutes. Not that bad, right? Now, I'll be honest, my expectations were really low for this project, but it was awesome, specifically during raves. Like, having this jacket and having it glow, it was very eye-catching. Now, some expectations when you're wearing the jacket actually is pretty nice. It does light up for a large majority of the time. If you want it to last the entire convention, you might need a secondary battery pack. And with that, all I have to say is...
All right, David. Let's go to the top then.
Should have gone with Rebecca! Ah! Why did he pick Lucy? Rebecca was right there!